Hello, my name is Li Zheng, licensed acupuncturist and an herbalist. I'm standing in front of this wooded area because I want to talk about a detrimental disease called Lyme disease. And according to CDC report, this year in September, the Lyme disease will become worse than any other years. Just because the weather changes so rapidly, during the winter time, there's also higher temperature time. So the ticks still active when the temperature go above 40 degrees. And this Lyme disease is transmitted by the ticks, which carries the bacteria. The common symptoms, as everybody knows, are fatigue, fever, skin rashes. If this cannot be treated the right way, then the bacteria will invade the nervous system and causing memory loss, depression, and arthritis. So it's very important to treat this disease. So whenever you go to the wooded area, you need to cover yourself and also spray something to prevent the tick bites. And after you finish walking in the wooded area, you should take a shower and also look the whole body to check the tick bites. The most important thing is check your hair, because it's very hard to find the small ticks in your hair. So one of my patients recommended that you can use hair blower, and once the heat blowing onto the ticks, and then it will drop off from your skin. So if you could do that, then you can prevent from this disease. So if you find you have tick bite, you should take antibiotics as soon as possible. Sometimes you have to take antibiotics for more than 3-4 weeks, and that can create problems. One problem is it will make your digestive system not functioning well, because in Chinese medicine, antibiotics are very cold and it damages your digestive system. So you wouldn't be able to digest food very effectively. At the meantime, it kills the normal bacteria in the intestine, so you can develop a yeast infection, which is harder to be treated. So when you are getting antibiotics, it is good to have acupuncture or herbs to reduce the side effect, to maintain your normal digestive system. And on the other hand, acupuncture can enhance your immune function so that the antibiotics kill the majority of the bacteria and your immune function will fight the rest of it. So you don't have to take antibiotics for too long. And the third, acupuncture can help to facilitate the recovery of the damaged tissue, because this bacteria invades the joint and the heart. So the tissue damage has to be recovered as soon as possible. If it takes longer time to recover from the damage, then we will develop the post-tick syndrome. That means after antibiotics treatment, you still have joint pain, and if the bacteria cannot be killed completely, then it continues to damage your nervous system. After 5 years, 10 years, you develop depression, you develop memory loss, and that's irreversible damage. So we need to use acupuncture to bring the energy to those damaged tissues so that you can regenerate those tissues, especially nerve regeneration, faster. And the other thing is, when your body is fighting the Lyme disease, you deplete a lot of energy and your adrenal gland is compromised. You couldn't sleep well, and acupuncture helps you enhanced adrenal gland function and sleep better so that you can recover faster. That is why some people, when they combine the Western and the Chinese medicine, they can recover completely. Other people, after the 3 weeks antibiotic treatment, they develop different kind of post-Lyme disease symptoms. So try to find the tick bite as soon as possible after you walking in the wooded area. And if you get tick bite, get treatment as soon as possible. And combining Western and Chinese medicine, you will recover faster.